Your doors do more than just open and close. They protect your home, improve energy efficiency, and enhance curb appeal. But over time, Florida's humid climate and intense weather can take a toll. If you live in the Tampa area, it's especially important to know when a door replacement is due. Here are the top 5 signs it might be time to upgrade. You feel drafts or notice temperature changes. If you can feel warm air seeping in around your door in the summer or notice higher electric bills, your door may be failing to insulate properly. Drafts often mean the weather stripping has worn out or the door frame has shifted due to humidity and heat. In Tampa's hot, humid climate, maintaining a tight seal is essential for keeping your home cool and your energy bills in check. A new, energy-efficient door can significantly reduce air leaks and improve indoor comfort. The door sticks, scrapes, or won't close properly when wood expands and contracts with Tampa's changing humidity levels. Doors can warp or swell. You might notice your door scraping against the frame, sticking, or refusing to close fully. This can compromise both your comfort and your security. If adjustments or minor repairs haven't solved the problem, replacement may be the smarter long-term solution. A properly fitted new door will operate smoothly and ensure your home stays safe and weather-tight. Visible damage or rot, rain, humidity, and even salty air from the Gulf can cause wooden doors to rot over time. Cracks, dents, rust on metal doors, or peeling paint aren't just cosmetic issues. They can weaken the structure of the door itself. Once moisture seeps into the material, it can lead to mold, mildew, or further decay. Replacing a damaged door helps prevent these issues from spreading and restores both the beauty and functionality of your entryway. You hear more outdoor noise than before if it seems like every passing car, barking dog, or thunderstorm sounds louder than it used to. Your door may not be sealing properly anymore. Modern doors come with advanced insulation and sound-reducing cores that block outside noise effectively. For Tampa homeowners living near busy streets or bustling neighborhoods, upgrading to a new insulated door can make your home noticeably quieter and more peaceful. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated, faded, or worn-out door can drag down your home's curb appeal, and even affect resale value. Replacing it with a stylish, energy-efficient model can transform your home's look instantly. Tampa homeowners often choose fiberglass or steel doors that resist weather damage while offering customizable colors, finishes, and glass inserts. A fresh, modern door not only improves aesthetics but can also make your entryway more welcoming and secure. Bonus tip: after a major storm, Tampa's storm season can be tough on exterior doors. After hurricanes or tropical storms, check for cracks, leaks, or misalignment. Even if the damage isn't visible, moisture or pressure can weaken the frame over time. Replacing the door before structural issues worsen can save you from costly repairs later. Final thoughts: a high-quality door replacement is one of the smartest investments a Tampa homeowner can make. Beyond improving comfort and efficiency, it enhances your home's safety and appearance. Whether your door shows signs of wear, leaks air, or simply doesn't match your style anymore, replacing it can bring immediate benefits you'll notice every day. If you're unsure whether your door needs replacement, consult a local Tampa door specialist. They can inspect your current setup, recommend the best materials for Florida's weather, and help you choose a door that complements your home's architecture. With the right replacement, you'll enjoy better performance, improved curb appeal, and peace of mind, no matter what the Tampa weather brings.